Hi, I just put a sweatshirt on because I'm a little cold, but today's day 2 of sourdough starter making. I need to transfer my starter into a new jar. So I've got a new mason jar ready on deck, and then I need to measure out 25 grams of flour and 25 grams of water. This is literally the directions verbatim. So after 24 hours, transfer the day 1 mixture into a clean jar and stir in the day 2 ingredients. Cover as before and leave in a warm place, which would be this little baby, which is off right now. It turned off after 24 hours, which was interesting. So I need to, there's no discard at this step. So that's important to note. So I'm just gonna measure out 25 and 25, call it a day. So, oh, I left a spoon. I left a spoon in the flour thing. Oops, it's fine. What I was going to say is I know I said I had started the sourdough mixer process a while ago and wasn't successful, but I was inspired once again. It's been like a month or 2 since I started it last, and I was inspired by Olivia Culpo, former Miss Universe. I enjoy following her. She's got fun content. All right, 1 ounce. Okay, I'm not gonna put this back in the bag, it's important. But anyways, she was showing her sourdough loaf and she's like, I made my whole sourdough starter myself, and now she's testing out different starters that she's making and testing out different folding techniques and scoring, and I just want to make sourdough bread. I just want to have homemade bread. I want that warm smell in the kitchen, just like a warm hug. So I got the flour measured out. I'm going to transfer the day 1 sourdough starter, which didn't rise or anything, but it definitely has a scent. I can smell the flour. Okay, hold on. So this is what 24-hour day 1 sourdough starter looks like. It's got like dark spots in it. Is that normal? Is it not normal? I'm gonna keep going, but yeah, day 1, transferring for the day 2. I told everyone that I was starting this process again, and because I was just so excited. And my sister just texted me and she's like, I just had sourdough bread and thought of you. I'm like, aw. Okay, so something different about this that I'm noticing, this is a lot stickier. It's sticking together more than the last time. I really am upset with the recipe that I followed because I watched a ton of this woman's videos and everything she did looked so good. It all looked delicious, but none of it worked. And she was very approximate, and it's unfortunate, very unfortunate. But this is a lot thicker, whereas last time it was super runny. Like even in the jar, there was so much hooch, which is a term for the water or liquid that forms on the top of your sourdough starter, which means it needs to be fed or stirred or it's been fed too much. So all of those options. I know it was a cold environment that I had it in, which is, you know, hard to control, but this little baby helps me with that. But so now this is the day one starter. I will put the flour in, and now, okay, zeroed out. Now I'm going to do the water. Have to get 1 ounce of water, or 25 grams. Okay, I got 1 ounce of water. Now I'll just put that in the jar. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one today just because I already dirtied it, but now I'm just gonna mix it on up. Move all this. Mix it on up. It's kind of like super sticky, but it doesn't quite have that sour smell yet, I don't think, but it has a smell. I wonder if it's just flour, a floury smell. Want to incorporate all the ingredients, so I'll come back when I'm done with this. Okay, day 2. That's what it looks like. Pretty good. Now I'm going to cover it up again the same way that I did yesterday with the towel, and I'm also going to take the rubber band from yesterday's jar and put it on this jar so that I can see where I had it, or where day 2 started. Whoa, that's that. I'll go back and it's a little warmer. It's a little home. It's just so cute. You want to see the inside of this little home? I'll give you a tour. So turn it on. I'm keeping it at 77 degrees, and that's this little home. And it just goes right in there. Tuck it in. Okay. Until tomorrow.
It's a rainy day. Normally I would like to wake up, go for a walk, and either I talk with my mom on the phone, or if I'm with her, we go out and walk together, but don't think that's gonna happen today, so it'll just be a quick walk with Ellie, just to let her go outside for the morning. Right, baby? Oh, she's sleeping. I tried Pilates last night. Ellie was right with me the whole time. Which was super cute. My boyfriend came home last night from a work trip. That was nice. I don't know if I want to try Pilates again today. I think I might. Beginner Pilates though. Don't get it twisted. I hope you all have a great day. Also today, I forgot to say, is day 3 of my sourdough starter. So I don't know if this is all going to be separated out into multiple videos or if I'm going to do one big video. I haven't really decided. stay tuned. From home 5 days a week, and I really like that lifestyle. I love being able to just be home, do what I need to do in the morning, and then get right into it. That's my preference. Sometimes I think about it and I wonder if I miss out on going into an office, meeting people, you know, going out after work with coworkers. I like the freedom of being able to do what I need to do during the day while being able to get all my work done. I think it's far more productive, far less expensive. I used to work in the city, in New York City, 5 days a week. Doing that commute was rough, and every day felt like a marathon just to get home. I just wanted to be home. I am a homebody. I love being with my loved ones. I will try and capture as much as I can throughout the day. I'm trying something new. It's 2024. I just had my birthday, so I feel like it's time for new things. It's time to explore new adventures that I've been interested in. I just haven't necessarily had the confidence to put my full force behind it. The sourdough is one. Getting a sourdough mixer ready so that I can make sourdough bread. Pilates is the second thing. I'm doing it at home to start because I want to make sure that I can build up my strength and understand the principles of the workout so that I'm not just going into a class, spending all this money and not preparing myself physically. And then kind of capturing my day-to-day, romanticizing my life a little bit more. I think there are so many beautiful things in my life and I just want to capture these little memories. These are the types of videos that I enjoy watching. I like seeing just people living their life beautifully, whether it's an amazing extravagant trip or just a simple day at home. Just seeing how beautiful both can be kind of grounds you and makes you appreciate the little things. So that is what I want to do. I want to capture those moments. I want to capture these little bits of time, I should say. I still love fashion. I still love thrifting. So I'm sure the next time I go, I will incorporate that. I actually did a lot of shopping for my birthday, so maybe I will do some sort of haul or try on or something, but I'm just gonna have fun. 2024 is about having fun, not taking things so seriously. 2023 was a rough one. You know, I lost my grandma, my Nana, I lost my family dog. Both were very hard. All right, Ellie's at the door. I gotta go get her. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Baby, come on, let's go. You like the rain? Hi, come on, come on, come on. It's cold out there. Ellie, come on. Oh, did you?
one thing about me is that I don't love when my eggs are super wet. I like them to be a little bit drier, which I know is not like the fancy way to eat them, but I prefer them to look like that. So I'm just heating up a crumpet and going to have some food because I'm hungry. One other thing is that I haven't been salting or peppering my eggs recently. I just use hot sauce nowadays. So I like the flavor better. Unfortunately, ever since I had COVID, which was like 3 years ago now. Ooh, my crumpet's ready. Ha. As I was saying, ever since I had COVID in like 2021, my taste for eggs keeps changing. So sometimes eggs don't taste so good to me, which is a bummer because I used to just love eggs with salt and pepper and that was good for me. But now it's more so about the hot sauce. I don't even know if people would call this hot sauce. It's just Frank's Red Hot. I don't like it too spicy. I just like it tangy. So, and a little spicy. So this is perfect for me. This is my lunch, breakfast, lunch, whatever. And I'm gonna go eat it. Whew. Look like a mess already, but I'm going to check my sourdough starter. It is day 3. It's not time for the, transfer or anything, but I'm going to check it, see how it looks. Last time my sourdough starter never rose, so that's kind of what I want to check for, see if it's happening yet. So let's see. Okay. Hello, little buddy. Still warm. Whew. It smells. Okay, let's see. Oh my god! Oh my god! It rose! Guys, it went over! It grew! Oh, and there's bubbles. Oh, it's so exciting! Oh my god! Yes! I know this is like a small feat, but I am so excited. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of my little dude. All right, now I have to go to a meeting. Oh,